Hello everyone, welcome to another slightly shorter episode of Binance for Beginners. In this episode, I'll be talking about Binance Charity, which is this webpage right here. Binance Charity is the first ever donation platform to use blockchain technology to fight problems such as poverty, inequality, and climate change. Some good examples, if I scroll down here, are the Ukraine Emergency Relief Fund, as well as the Protect Our Planet project. If we scroll a little further, we can see that Binance Charity has raised over 2,000 Bitcoin, which is about $80 million, as well as had a total of 5,099 total donations, which are numbers that are completely insane. And if you want to learn more about what they are doing, you can click in this tab, Our Mission, and choose one of these, for example, all projects. Then you'll be able to see every single project that they are working on right now. This right here is the Ambassadors tab, which are the people who are working on the projects. Big shout out to these people because they are doing a fantastic job. This is the newsroom, which features new articles about all the projects that they are doing, as well as something like a day in the life of a forestry specialist. Then right here you have the Our Story tab, which has a little bit of information about Binance Charity, why they started, and what their mission is, and what they want to accomplish. You can also see the 2021 annual report right here, as well as donate yourself. And that's pretty much it. Just a quick little showcase of Binance Charity. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe to become part of the revolution today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.